So hello everyone. Now moving on to the next part. What we are going to make here is okay, while I am thinking, you guys should also think and tell me in the comment section. I think it is a kitty. Yeah, it is a very cute kitten. And I don't know what okay, she's having feathers though. That is very strange. But yeah, anyone could have them. So yeah, she's just fulfilling her desires. Now you have to fill the colors of your choice. And don't you think that I'll do tada here? I will do, guys. That's my right. So done. Now moving forward, what we are going to make here is, what do you think we are going to make here? Sometimes you should also speak, guys. Okay, so this is, yeah, even I'm trying to, oh, is it a water balloon? No, it is not a water balloon. Okay, god, I'm a science student, how can I just forget this? This is your okay, so it's your jellyfish, and thank you for watching the video.